are you doing?
Hi,
How are you?
fine, thanks. And you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. And where are you from?
From Afghanistan.
Wow, nice to hear that you are from Afghanistan. This is the first time.
Yeah, thank you.
This is the first time I'm talking with Afghani in this application.
Oh, you
Yeah.
are from Pakistan?
No. Can you guess where I,
Vatanda خوشونم.
can you guess
Hmm?
my country?
My country?
No, it's like can you guess my country? It's like where I okay. I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh?
Ah, yeah.
Okay, you know Bangladesh, right? So,
Bonnie!
by the way, what's your name?
Gisu.
Gitu.
Gisu.
Gisu. Okay, okay.
Hmm,
I got it. Like,
Gisu.
so what's your native language? I mean, like Arabic or not? What?
Dari.
That
Like Arabic.
is similar to Arabic, right?
You know Pashto Dari?
I don't know. So, how to say how are you in your language?
Yeah, no. Good.
It's like
Hmm.
how to say how are you in your language, like an Afghani.
How are you? چطوری خوبی?
Chituri Kubi. Wow, it's quite difficult. Chichuri Kubi, it's like different thing.
That
Yeah.
I think that's not difficult. Bangladesh is difficult.
No. Like Bangla language is really easy, and do you know Bangla is like most sweetest language whole world, like in this world. Bangla,
Like Indian, Urdu,
yeah, Urdu.
Urdu.
No, but Bangla is different than Hindi, Urdu. Do you know Hindi, like or Urdu?
Uh, Urdu is Urdu is easy.
Yes, Urdu and Hindi.
Bangladesh not easy.
Yeah, but it's easy to me and with everyone, I think. But it's difficult for foreigners like you or different countries. I can't speak your language. The similar happen. So, by the way, what's your job? What do you do for living?
That's too much.
Hmm?
Uh, Restaurant.
You are working restaurant or you have restaurant or you have like you are the
I'm
owner
working in I'm working in restaurant.
restaurant. Oh, that's good. That's really good.
Yeah.
So, how long have you been here?
Um, 14, 15 ago.
Oh, it's 14, 15 days or years.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you are
Yeah.
the oldest on here.
Yeah.
So I guess one thing that like your English is good. So how you learned that?
German country.
Mm-hmm.
German?
No, no, your English is
Germany?
no, your English is good.
My English is not good. A little bit.
It's
I
little
can little
literally
bit.
good. Hey,
Not
little,
very well. No,
but
no, no.
but you're so how you learned that?
I don't understand.
By the way, what are you taking? What is that? They smoke. Hmm.
Hacking?
Oh, what does it call? Like I don't know. Like that you are taking.
Ah, okay. I don't know.
Okay. So it's mean that you are eating something. Eating means that you are taking by your mouth. So what is that?
That's
Yeah.
that's
Yes.
shisha.
Shisha.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. So that's cool.
Yeah.
So can you please tell me one thing that how was that? How was shisha? Shisha means like what is the taste of shisha? How?
I don't can't tell you. I'm not easy of English.
Okay. I think I think it's one kind of habit, right? To take shisha
Sometimes,
sometime. Okay.
not always.
Ah, okay. So what do you do for fun? I mean, like when you have free time, what do you do? Like, do you go outside for travel or hang out with your friends or what?
In the bazaar with my, I have two dogs.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
My dog is here.
Oh, you have dogs. Wow. I can't see.
Yes,
Can you please,
I have two dogs.
can you show can you show again your dog? His dog is pretty. It's like
Right. Lucy, come back behind. Here. Sure, sure. It's here.
wow. It's really pretty. Oh, what is the name of your dog?
Lucy.
Lucy. It's mean that
That's Lucy.
she's girls, right? Girls or boy?
Yeah.
Girls. Okay.
Yes.
I got it. So how old are you? May I know?
13.
30. Okay. So are you single or married?
I'm single.
Okay. So how about your plan of life? Like, when do you wanna marry or what? What's your plan?
I don't have plan for marriage.
You wanna enjoy your life by single, right? That's good. That's really good. Single life is best for
Yeah.
enjoying. Okay. So that's really good, and I really appreciate it because it is the first time here I'm talking with Afghanistani, and I'm really lucky to you.
Mhm.
So, so how many languages can you speak? How many languages?
I can speak Dari, Persian, and Tajikish, German.
And
Yeah.
oh, it's huge.
And uh, uh, a little bit Urdu, little bit Pashto,
Oh,
little bit English.
wow, it's
Yeah.
huge. You can speak like more than five or six. That's really good. I think it's essential because as you are talented and as you mentioned before that you work at restaurant and like you can get your customers. I mean, like lots of customer they are come from different country maybe. If you know English, then you can
Serdar Khushumati.
English or their language, then it can be easy to handle them.
I don't understand.
You don't understand, right? Okay. Okay.
You can write me.
It's like I said you that if you know German, suppose I am Germany. So if I come your
Mhm.
restaurant, then you can easily talk with me. So that thing I'm saying said. So it will be easy to you. That I am saying. So, so what? What should I ask you? I don't know.
وفا خوش اومدی. سردار خوش اومدی.
So when
Das ist Persisch.
Farsi is which language?
Persisch. Farsi.
Oh, Farsi. So okay, do you know how to say how are you in like in Urdu? You said that you like you know Urdu.
आप कैसे हो?
आप कैसे हो? Right. It's like we can say तुम कैसे हो? It's like it's also right? तुम आप.
تو چطوری؟ आप कैसे हो? تو چطوری؟ خوبی؟
Okay. आप कैसे हो? Whenever we are saying आप कैसे हो, it's mean we are like we are showing our what we are respecting others. I mean, this way we can ask the unknown person or older, right? आप कैसे हो?
आप कैसे हो? Indian or Urdu?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
It's Urdu. It's the Pakistani Urdu, and in Hindi is similar
Yeah.
like this. So,
Yeah.
how to
Yeah.
say how are you in German language?
Dutch.
Tuch,
It's not easy.
tus,
Dutch.
tus, or what? Okay,
German language is Dutch.
tuch. Okay. So,
Dutch.
okay, do you want to learn how to say how are you in Bangla?
سلام میلاد خوش اومدی.
Hey, do you want to learn how to say how are you in Bangla? I mean Bangladesh. How to say? Do you want to learn?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay, I will teach you.
Can you tell me?
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So, how are you means repeat after me. Okay. So, তুমি
তুমি
কেমন
কেমন?
আছো?
তুমি কেমন আছো?
Right. Oh my goodness.
Oh my
Perfect.
God,
Perfect.
that's difficult.
It's not difficult. তুমি কেমন আছো? তুমি কেমন আছো? It's like it's really easy.
What do you mean?
It's really easy and
Not easy. Bangladesh is not easy.
it's easy.
Very difficult.
So okay, I'm teaching another thing. What's your name in Bangla? I will teach you. Okay, again, repeat after me.
Okay. What's your name?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me.
তোমার
Oh my God,
নাম
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
কি yeah, it's like kia means like ki, it will be ki, like তোমার নাম কি?
तुम्हारा नाम কি? Oh,
Wow,
that's not
it's
difficult.
yeah, it's perfect. It's really easy, and your pronunciation is perfect, like Bangladeshi. You can pronounce. Yes, you can pronounce perfectly. That's really good. তোমার নাম কি?
मेरा नाम गीसू.
मेरा नाम किस? Okay. So Gisu is it? What is the meaning of your name? Do you know?
Large hair.
Oh, Gisu means
Hair.
large hair. It's mean that you and
Yes.
so this is the result that you have large hairs.
Yes.
Wow. Who have selected this name? Your mother or father or your grandfather? Who?
My mother.
Oh, okay. That's good. That's why you have still large hair.
بچه ها خوش اومدین.
Okay.
وایسا که این پیکی تمام شه. با این من مغزمو خورد. ایشون که کیه؟ بونی چطوری بونی؟
What are you saying? I don't know. Is it which language? Is that like which
Hmm?
language? Which language you speak? Is
My language is Persish.
Parsis. Pashto.
Boni?
Boni, yeah, Boni. Boni.
Boni is name.
Boni's name, but what you said by your language?
My language. I thought Boni, welcome.
Oh, okay. Okay, I got it. Now I got it. Boni, welcome. So, so can you please teach me like how to say how are you in your language?
I told you. You forget it.
Oh, so, okay, okay, I forgot.
Hubi,
Kobe?
Chituri, Hubi,
Kobe Chuturi. Okay, okay,
Hubi,
okay. You taught already. So how to
Chituri, Hubi.
Chuturi Kobe? So how to say what's the name? Chuturi Kobe.
اسمك چیه؟
Smithia. Smithia.
اسمك چیه؟
Smithia. Okay, it's really difficult. It's really difficult to remember your language.
Yes.
Smithia. Chuturi Kobe. Oh my goodness.
چطوری خوبی؟
Chuturi Kobe. Yes, I will remember you. Remember your this line. Chuturi Kobe. It's like Afghanis. They are
Yeah.
saying how are you instead of how are you. They are saying Suturi Kobe. Okay.
چطوری؟ چطوری؟ چطوری؟
Cheturi na Suturi.
چطوری کجا زندگی من جرمنی زندگی آلمان زندگی میکنم.
I don't know. Chituri or Chituri.
بونی برات شوهر پیدا کردم چطوره ببین خوشت اومد.
Okay.
مرسی.
So do you know Arabic language? كيف حالك? Do you know Arabic?
كيف أهلا وسهلا كيف حالك؟
كيف حالك؟ مم. الحمد لله أنا بخير أنت.
لا أتكلم عربي.
I don't know Arabic, but I can recite Arabic. So you are Muslim, right?
الحمد لله.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah. That's really good. Nice to hear that you're Muslim also.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. Smart key.
yes.
Yeah.
Uh,
Your name is Smart key.
Shamat King.
Okay. Have a good night.
Yeah, same
I'm
here.
very happy.
Same here, same here.
Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.
Okay. Allah Hafiz.
Allah.